Hello, my name is Bernadette Banner. I am the author of Make, Sew and Mend, or
Die Kunst des Nähens.
that. I study the history of dress, and it has been a particular goal of mine to be able to look back through history and rediscover and relearn some of these sewing techniques that have been used for hundreds of years of human dressmaking to produce clothing that lasted a lifetime, and how we can use those techniques to mend and maintain and upcycle the clothes that we wear today to fight the effects of fast fashion that so plagues us today. And not only that, but also to be able to refashion the clothes that we have to make them into something deeply unique to our own personal styles. And of course, to fight the effects of standard sizing, because no one is a standard size. So if that sounds of interest to you, I do hope you will join me on a little sewing adventure.